Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean build. Make sure Xcode and the iOS SDK match Apple's requirements and your bundle ID is unchanged. Once done, increment the build number and archive the app in Xcode. Export an IPA for distribution. Then upload the build using Xcode's organizer or ALTool with your API key for automation. This ensures Appstore Connect receives a valid artifact and prevents mismatch rejections. So handle entitlements and provisioning. Next, you switch to Appstore Connect and select the uploaded build to attach to your new version. Then update metadata, write concise release notes, add screenshots for each device size, and localize fields if you support languages. This improves discoverability. Make sure pricing, territories, and rating questionnaires are accurate, otherwise review will be delayed. Once everything is filled, save your changes and proceed to submission, because incomplete assets are a common cause for rejection. Finally, decide whether you want a manual or automatic release and submit the app for app review. You should monitor the review status in Appstore Connect and respond promptly if Apple requests clarification or finds an issue. Quick responses speed up approval. Once approved, validate the live version on real devices and track crashes and analytics. If something goes wrong, use your hotfix branch and expedited review request. This preparation minimizes downtime and keeps users happy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.